a private job in Vadodara. Then I have taken a break from my career to pursue tertiary education in abroad.
Okay. Where are you from?
Well, I'm from a city called Jamnagar, which is situated at the west part of Gujarat, and it's a small city with very peaceful people.
Do you like the place?
Oh, definitely yes. The city is not so big and so crowded, and there are many trees all around the city, and the atmosphere is always uh, calm and peaceful all along the year.
Let's talk about politeness. Who teaches you to be polite?
I think parents are our first teacher in our life. So, first of all, my parents taught me to be polite. From childhood, they taught me such values. Then my teachers, uh, thankfully, my I had a great teachers in primary and high school, and they also teach me some this kind of life skills.
Uh, how do Indian people show politeness?
Indian people have such great values from their ancestors, like politeness, honesty, and yeah, they also say that uh, God is guest is our God. So they show their politeness by uh, speaking softly to them and uh, so other kindness.
Has the way people show politeness changed in India?
Uh, Definitely yes. If we see long ago, the way the people showed politeness is far different because at that time people had lots of time and the atmosphere in India was not was not so workaholic, and now India is growing so fast and people don't have much time. So that's why that way of showing it has changed.
Are you angry with people who are late?
Uh, Actually, yes. I'm very time punctual from the childhood only. I I don't like to be late, and I don't. I also don't like to wait for someone. Uh, uh, so yes, I get angry on people who are late.
Do you think people have less free time today than in the past?
Oh, definitely yes. uh, um, Everyone has a job or educational activities now, and their whole day is occupied with different activities from the schools or employment services. So of course the people have don't have time as they had years ago.
Do you think that the quality of living is increasing?
uh, Talking about quality, yes, quality of life has increased among the people, but also there are some some values and such things that uh, uh, our ancestor had, but we have not.
Uh, Today, people use machinery to automate everything. Is it good or bad?
Uh, Machineries are good, of course, good at some point. It machinery are far better than human work because it works precisely, and also it can work without any rest, and it gives us output very fast than the human.
How does modern technology help to save time?
Modern technology have so many ways to save our time. For example, firstly, we have vehicles now, so we don't have to walk to go at any place. So that's how we save our time. Secondly, we have telephone and smartphones today, so uh, we can do all our work, or we can uh, video call to our relatives and friends, so we don't need to go to meet them. And finally, due to technology, industry has revolutionized completely. So
Okay, so I'm going to show you a cue card. You have 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak. Excuse me. Can you see it clearly?
yes.
Okay, the time is 9:13. You have 1 minute to prepare. Please start.
Okay. Uh, Reading is one of my hobbies, and I do read a lot. I read books, articles, and newspapers. Uh, and here I want to talk about article on health, which I read online, as I have news application in my smartphone for news reading. Well, the article was about uh, coronavirus. I read it a few months ago, when this pandemic started. Uh, the topic of article was how to stay away from how to save yourself. How can you save yourself from getting infected from this virus? And I have learned so much from that article. They have In that article they have said that so wash your hand, wear a mask, and keep a distance from any other people except your family, of course. So and there are other ways also, that how can you boost your immunity. Like firstly, you should take vitamin C in your body, by eating such fruits. Secondly, you have some homemade recipes to boost your immunity power. And finally, they said drink lots of water. uh, the article I read that article, and also I told my family members about that article, and taught them what to do to not to get infected by that virus. And I found that that article was very
Okay,
good.
thank you. This is the time for asking a few more questions. Him, why do different people like to read different magazines?
Every individual have their own choices and own uh, interest in reading. Uh, that's why different people like to read different articles.
What kind of magazines do teenagers read?
Teenagers read a lots of article. Many kinds of articles are popular among teenagers, such as articles on fashion, because fashion is always trending, and likes to be trendy. Secondly, they do like sports, so articles on sports, of course. And finally, uh, they teenagers tend to follow some celebrities and national and international celebrities and sports persons. So they do read articles about them.
What's the difference between news on TV and news in magazines?
The first difference is in magazine, uh, you cannot get the latest news, because once news has came out, it gets printed and then came to your home, or you buy it, so it will take time. And on the TV, you can get the latest news and latest happening around you.
Do people still buy magazines in your country?
Definitely is. Magazines are so popular in my country, and specifically magazines on fashion and homemaking are the most popular among youngsters and women's.
Do people like to read news from the internet?
Of course, yes. Most of the people are working and or studying, and everyone has smartphone nowadays. So people prefer read news online rather than buying a newspaper.
Do you think people are healthier today than those in the past?
Unfortunately, no. With modernization of the world, uh, our the pace of life has become so fast, and most people don't have extra time to look after their health. And in old times, people had some extra time to look after themselves and their family members.
How do people keep a healthy diet?
There are many ways to keep a healthy diet. Uh, First of all, there are many articles and books on healthy diet. Uh, Next, you can uh, appoint uh, you can appoint a nutri- nutritionist to teach you how to follow a diet. And finally, uh, you can read it from online tutors on platforms like YouTube.
What kinds of foods are considered unhealthy?
Uh, Foods like uh, junk food, first of all, because they have lots of fat, and cholesterol. Such food are the most unhealthy. And other foods are which have so much oil in it. For example, fried foods. They are most unhealthy, in my opinion.
Do people in India usually exercise?
Uh, the trend of exercising is now growing very fast. the Indian celebrities are become very aware of exercising and their health. So so Indian
Okay,
people
that is the
also.
end of your speaking test.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I've evaluated all your responses while you were speaking. Your fluency has improved, but Q card you were fumbling and going slow. Uh, Grammatical errors are very minimal, except for teenagers likes. You said teenagers likes, and in the follow-up questions of those kind of errors, third person के साथ s नहीं लगाए. uh, and no using or you didn't use any bigger words like teenage celebrities are the trendsetters, happy-go-lucky, arm and a leg, all those kind of things would have definitely boosted your score. LR, you could have improved. You gave all the answers correctly. Him,
Okay.
all the answers were correctly recorded, but there was nothing exceptional that would have made the examiner to give a 7. But you'll definitely get a 6.5. Yeah?
Okay.
So you,
Sir, the recording is still on.
yes, the recording is still on.
Okay. Sir, you asked me a question. What kind of food is unhealthy?
Yes.
I have doubt on that. Did I answer correctly?
Yeah, you answered correctly.
Oh, I thought
Yeah.
I went
Your
off.
answers were all correct. It was to the point. There was nothing more to it, like no idioms used. A big word would have helped it. Serendipity, once in a while. Celebrities are trendsetters in this thing. People go to great lengths to exercise and keep themselves fit. Yeah? You
Yes, maybe I just jumped on the answers. So
no, but your fluency was good. So wherever you were missing out on fluency, that you have overcome. Now just remember to use some of these big words during the
yeah, I'll
test.
practice them.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I'll send you this recording. Anything, and you're going to write your test right away. Whenever you're ready, send me a WhatsApp message. Keep your Cambridge 13, 14, and 15 books together. So once I say,
Which
pardon,
means which test? Sure.
I will
Like
tell you the text. Once you're ready, you keep your Cambridge 13, 13, 14, 15. You have all these together, right?
yes, actually, sir. Okay, yes, I have.
Do
I
you
have.
have printed versions of them?
Yes, I have printed version of reading test and other things I'll do with PDFs
What about listening?
on YouTube. I'll
No,
do it
but
on YouTube.
what about the questions?
Yes, sir. On YouTube
Oh,
they
you'll do
also
it.
show.
Okay, okay. You don't have the printed version. Okay.
No, no.
Okay. So when you're ready, you send me a text. I will tell you what to do.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, so that it'll just be like a test.
Sure, sir.
But you should have printouts of 13, 14, and 15, or whatever, these three books at hand.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
anything
sir.
else?
No, sir.